If your K-cups are scattered in a drawer, piled next to the machine, or stuffed back in the box, there's a better way. A good coffee pot organizer keeps everything visible, accessible, and honestly just makes your whole coffee corner look more put together. In this video, I'm sharing 5 of the best coffee pot organizers worth adding to your setup. All references and links are in the description for you to browse. Let's get into it. First up, the Blacksmith family 40-pod rotating carousel. And this one is specifically designed for people who want pod variety without giving up counter space to get it. The narrow vertical footprint is the key selling point here. It holds up to 40 pods in a compact column that takes up far less counter real estate than a flat drawer or wide tray organizer. For smaller kitchens where every inch counts, that distinction matters enormously. You get the variety, regular, decaf, hot chocolate, seasonal flavors for guests without sacrificing the space you don't have. The 360-degree rotating base glides smoothly and lets you spin through all available options with a single finger. No reaching to the back, no pulling the whole thing toward you, just a gentle spin to see what's available. It holds still when you stop it, which keeps things from over-rotating when you're just trying to grab one pod in a hurry. No assembly required out of the box. Just load it up and place it wherever it fits best. It works just as naturally on a corner counter as it does tucked beside the coffee machine, and the slim profile means it never feels like it's dominating the space around it. Compact, smooth, and genuinely practical for mixed variety pod collections. A great starting point for this list. Next, a pod organizer that takes a completely different approach, the Deco Brothers K-Cup drawer. And after several years of daily use, this one has proven itself as one of the more thoughtfully designed options in this category. The removable mesh basket is the standout practical feature. When it's time to refill, you pull the basket out completely, giving you full access to the back of the drawer without awkward reaching or tipping the whole unit forward. Slide it back in when you're done, and everything lines up cleanly. It's a small design decision that makes restocking noticeably easier than fixed compartment alternatives. The individual compartments inside the drawer let you keep different pod varieties cleanly separated, regular on one side, decaf on the other, specialty flavors in between. No mixing, no hunting, no squinting at labels to figure out what you're grabbing in a half-awake morning state. Everything stays sorted exactly the way you left it. The sleek black finish is sharp-looking and pairs naturally with most coffee machines, and the flat-top surface works perfectly as a platform for a Keurig or other brewer to sit on, turning the organizer into a functional base for the entire coffee station setup. Holds 36 pods, looks great, and has held up without any issues across years of regular use. Another organizer worth a close look, the IZLIF 2-tier coffee pot organizer. And this one brings the largest capacity and the most complete coffee station setup of anything on this list. The main drawer holds up to 60 K-cups across 6 divided rows, more than enough for a full variety rotation at home or in a small office. The wood-paneled top and wooden drawer knobs give it a warm, premium aesthetic that immediately elevates the visual quality of any coffee corner. It looks like a piece of furniture rather than a plastic organizer. The secondary tray that sits alongside the main drawer is where the design gets particularly clever. It's a magnetic attachment that connects to the side of the main unit, keeping everything together as one cohesive setup, while still being fully removable and repositionable independently. Use it for sugar packets, creamers, flavor syrups, or small decor items. The layout adapts to whatever your coffee routine actually requires. Generous capacity, beautiful wood finish, and a magnetic side tray that makes the whole thing feel genuinely complete. A strong mid-list pick. Coming in next, the FlagShip 3-tier K-cup holder. And the first thing worth knowing about this one is that it arrives fully assembled, which is a more meaningful detail than it sounds when you just want to load it up and get on with your morning. 3 tiers hold 14 pods each for a total of 42, and if that's not enough, the same design is available in 4 and 5-tier versions that scale up in increments of 14. So whether your pod collection is modest or genuinely extensive, there's a version of this organizer sized for it without changing the footprint. Each tier has a back slot and individual cup holders in the front, keeping every pod upright, visible, and easy to grab with one hand. The construction feels solid throughout. Good finish, sturdy frame, no wobbling or flexing when you reach for a pod on any tier. For anyone building out a growing coffee and hot chocolate bar where variety keeps expanding, the tiered format is genuinely practical. You can visually separate types by tier, keep the most used pods at eye level, and scale the organizer upward as your collection grows rather than replacing it entirely. Fully assembled, well-built, and scalable. A practical and no-fuss solution for pod organization. And rounding out our list, and after 2 years of daily use, still going strong, the Lixple 2-tier bamboo K-cup holder. And this one stands out from everything else on this list for one simple reason. It's made from natural bamboo. In a category dominated by plastic and metal, the bamboo construction brings a warmth and naturalness to a coffee station that immediately makes the space feel more considered and intentional. It's lightweight, sturdy, and stable, and it looks genuinely beautiful sitting next to a coffee maker, which for something that lives permanently on your counter matters more than most people initially expect. The top tier holds up to 28 pods arranged in rows of 7, visible at a glance, easy to grab individually, and organized enough that you always know what's available without digging. The bottom tier is completely open for customization. Sugar packets, creamers, flavor syrups, small decor items, or whatever else belongs in your specific coffee routine. It's flexible storage rather than fixed compartments, which makes it genuinely adaptable to how different people actually use their coffee stations. After 2 years of daily use, it remains solid, stable, and just as attractive as it was on day one. Bamboo ages gracefully rather than scratching, yellowing, or degrading the way plastic organizers tend to. Natural material, flexible layout, proven longevity, and a design that makes any coffee corner look better just by being in it. A deserving closeout of the list. 5 organizers, 5 different ways to bring some order to your pod collection, whether you've got 10 pods or 100. Pick the one that fits your counter, your capacity, and your style, and your morning routine will be noticeably smoother for it. Everything's linked in the description. And hey, if you've got a pod organizer you've been using for years and swear by, drop it in the comments. We'd love to know what's working out there. See you in the next one.